tell me if my voice is a little weird, but I was trying to move. But anyways, I will teach you how to make some raining clouds in neal.fun. It's a website on Google, and you can also use it on Chrome, like I'm using it right now. Anyways, first you go to liquids. It's right beside land. Then you get water. And you sort it out. And where you want it to be, you heat it up until it gets really hot, until all those sparks comes up. And then you just fix all that. If you see some pixels, those are water. And all those yellow things that is lightning. Sometimes it actually might shoot down in the water. And I guess that's it. Everyone, you can always use these using the elements, and I just want for you guys to learn. So that's why it happened, because the water evaporates and it gets too hot sometimes. So anyways, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.